In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track billable expenses using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or manage multiple client accounts, keeping track of billable expenses is crucial to ensuring you get paid accurately and promptly. So, let's dive in and make this process straightforward. First, let's start by signing into our QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online homepage and click on the Sign In button. From there, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the options provided. This will direct you to the login screen where you need to type in your credentials. Once you've entered your username and password, click Continue to proceed. If you ever encounter issues logging in, just to be sure you've got your credentials right, or check with your admin to reset them. Once you're logged in, it's essential to adjust a few settings to enable the tracking of billable expenses. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where we can control how our expenses are handled. In the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. Here you will find a list of options to help configure your account according to your business needs. Next, within the left-hand menu, click on the Expenses tab. This will show you options related to how expenses are processed. Within this section, head to Bills and Expenses and find the option that reads Make Expenses and Items Billable. Ensure that the toggle switch is turned on. This is a crucial step because enabling this function allows you to mark expenses as billable, which you can then pass on to clients for reimbursement. Furthermore, you should check the box labeled Track Billable Expenses and Items as Income. This setting enables the expenses you track to flow seamlessly into your income reports, ensuring your financial statements reflect them accurately. After making sure both options are turned on, be sure to click on Save to apply these settings. Now let's see how to use these settings. Go back to the main expenses section by clicking on the Expenses tab. Browse through your transactions and select the one you intend to bill to a customer. In the transaction detail window, look for a checkbox labeled Billable. Checking this box means you'll be billing that expense to your customer. Don't forget to specify the category and the customer to whom you are billing the expense. This ensures that the expense is categorized correctly and linked to the right client account. Finally, enter the amount you're billing and select Save and Close to finalize the transaction. And there you have it, you're all set to track and bill expenses efficiently. With these steps, managing reimbursable expenses should be clearer and more organized, enabling you to focus on delivering great work to your clients. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.